Llama Stack is an SDK that provides common functionality for building agentic applications, like tool calling and memory modules, for example. Llama Stack relies on a separate service for powering the LLM. Inside of Llama Stack's GitHub repo, you'll see examples for how to plug Llama Stack into LLM endpoints powered by AWS Bedrock, Hugging Face, as well as Fireworks. But in the name of freedom, liberty, and everything America stands for, we are going to be using Ollama for powering our LLM. Okay, so here's how we do this. First, we have to make sure Ollama is running. Then we can pop open a terminal and type the Ollama ps command to see what models are being served. And we can see that no models are currently being served. And if we type this Ollama command, Ollama run followed by the model ID, we're also going to include a flag that says keep alive 60 minutes that will keep the model running for an hour after we close the interactive session that by default Ollama presents to us when we run a model. So I'm running this command. Here we see the interactive session. The model's running. And if we close the interactive session by typing Control D and type the Ollama ps command again, we can see that the model will be served for another hour. Now we can run this Docker command to run a Llama Stack server powered by this Ollama model. If you look closely at this Docker command, you'll see we're including 2 environment variables, and these are the environment variables that plug Llama Stack into Ollama. Here you can see we're telling Llama Stack to find Ollama at this URL. And this is a little confusing, but this is how it works. The model ID that you want to use is different in Llama Stack compared to the same model's ID in Ollama. So this model, Llama 3.21b instruct FP16, has this model ID in Llama Stack. So after you run this Docker command, we should have a running Llama Stack. Okay, that looks good. And we can smoke test this by popping open a second terminal and hitting the Llama Stack API's health check endpoint. And we see the status is okay.